Hello po, andito na ako sa SM Tansabayan Loob. Ito po ang Summer Eats, Summer Special Food Court, Quantum. And Happy Easter Egg Day. Di pala. Belated Happy Easter Egg Day po sa SM Tansabayan Loob. Ito ang Quantum Cinema. Tayo ng Quantum. Ito ang claw machine, motorcycle rides, air dun po sa dulo. Ito po ang racing cars, kart rides, basketball shooting, claw machines in Quantum, isang Tansabayan Loob. Gun shooting, tokens, ito ang Ace Hardware. Ito ang Photobot, Wacky Studio. Ito ang Cyberzone sa dulo, SM Store. Tom Sword and Gotcha Press, Minisaw. Under the Tom Sword. And this is a claw machine, arcades, rides, racing cars, tokens, claw machines, okay. Basketball shooter, and also tokens. And belated Happy Easter Egg Day in Tom Sword and Quantum, also in SM Tansabayan Loob. This is a candy corner, and this one. And that's all for today in Easter Egg Day in summer in SM Tansabayan Loob. Thank you, God bless us all. Bye.